I don't know, I kind of saw that, like, you know, one by one they banned everything. You know, acrylic enamel was gone, lacquers were gone, and then new urethanes, and then they were going to get rid of solvents. So I've always kind of like to beat the train to the station, you know, switch and learn the system now. And really, honestly, with the Ultra 9K, there's really no difference. It's not any kind of transition with it. We just paint it. It's just paint now. You know, I remember 20 years ago, oh my God, the paint's got water in it. And now it's just, it's actually probably better than the stuff we were using. The better quality spray's easier. The dually we just sprayed, beautiful, and lays on there nice and has enough meat that you can cut it and polish it up.
Extremely fast.
It was relaxing.
It's a good product.
Gives me the time I need.
Very simple.
I found that the color was extremely vibrant.
Gets the job done.
The second I pulled the trigger,
Production's up.
it hit and it laid down.
It's got a better coverage.
I used less material,
Cost of product is down.
more time.
Tech support and everybody with Sherwin-Williams is there at any given time.
Great coverage.
So I'm not waiting on product, not waiting on advice, not waiting on support.
It works perfectly.
It's a good product.
And that means everything to me.
My name's David Perales, and I'm the head painter. The Ultra 9K just surpassed the other product. We used it, liked it. It was good right out of the box, so we switched. Productivity is up higher due to the application method that Sherwin-Williams showed us, and the coverage, the dry time. So each step allows us to move a little faster. The colors, as far as good color matches from the chip decks and all the tools that they give us, used properly, speeds up our productivity. It just means more money that we're making by using the product.
I knew I needed to bring in the Ultra 9K to ensure that the finish on these cars was nothing less than flawless. Ultra 9K is extremely user-friendly. It doesn't dry spray. It covers well. The visual, you can see what you're doing. There's a color difference between what has already cured and the fresh paint that you're spraying, so it makes it easier to see your overlaps. I found that the color was extremely vibrant. But with water, it was relaxing. I walked out, I walked back in the booth, I could clearly see where I had stopped and where I'd started. Using a Waterborne, Ultra 9K was a new process for me. But after the first coat, it was like I'd been spraying it for, maybe not 20 years, but at least 5 to 10.
Finding your color with the Ultra 9K is very simple with the color access system. You plug in the code, it brings everything right up, your variances, You got nice color chip library you use. You go check them. What you mix is what you get on your card. And 99.9% of the time they're matching great. And we're painting cars. Best thing about Ultra 9K is the color match. I've never seen anything like it. It amazes me, and the coverage too. I started laughing on the silver because it covered so fast I couldn't believe it. Like, man, my job's really gonna get a lot easier. What it looks like before you hit bake, it's gonna look like that afterwards. You're not gonna get any profiling popping out in blend panels. You're not gonna get pinching up and dieback. Get a really nice gloss every time. I say definitely try it. I think you'd probably be a fool not to because it works very well. And I've been painting cars a long time, and I enjoy painting again because it's easy. It looks good.